This video shows you how to add content to Hubcap. To learn about other features of the site, please see our Hubcap Features video. To add content, you first need to create a Hubcap profile, using either your LinkedIn credentials or by creating a username and password. This is a community website, so we ask that you use your real name so other innovators can find you and your content easily. A site moderator will approve your profile within 1 business day. Once you have created a profile and are signed into the website, you can contribute content. There are 4 different types of content. Event is where you submit an in-person or online meetup, such as a webinar or conference. Organization is where you submit your socially conscious business, cooperative, academic institution, etc. Project and initiative is where you submit projects that are time-based or a social innovation idea that is just getting off the ground. Publication and resource is where you submit news, articles, papers, videos, blogs, and more. Have something to share that doesn't quite fit into these 4 categories? Choose the one that seems to fit the closest, and you can contact us so we can help you decide. Once you have chosen a content type, fill in the fields that are provided. You'll know when a field is mandatory, as it is marked by an asterisk. Even if you have a report or want to link to an article that is posted elsewhere on the web, a description or introduction is still mandatory to give context to the content you are adding. Make sure you share the social value of the content you're contributing within one of the description fields. Use proper spelling and grammar when writing your content. There are some quick grammar guidelines under Editorial Standards and Guidelines in the About Hubcap section of the website. Fill in the location field as best as you can. An address is great and makes sense when adding an organization or event, but even if your content isn't specific to a place, adding a community address where you're posting from ensures your content will show up on the Hubcap's map view. Tagging content helps users find content based on subject matter. Hubcap has provided a standard list of tags for users to choose from when adding content. When you start typing in the tag field, tags that match your text will display underneath. You can create new tags by typing in the tag field, but should do so sparingly to avoid overwhelming and too specific tags. When in doubt, leave it out. Hubcap administration may add or edit tags prior to publication. Contact information is a great place to add the website or other communication channels that are linked to your contribution. You can also choose to add your personal contact information. Adding contact information is completely optional. Before being posted, your content will be reviewed by a site moderator to ensure it follows Hubcap's editorial guidelines and our terms of use. Both of these documents can be found on Hubcap. The guidelines is a page under About Hubcap, and terms of use in the footer of the homepage. Content you add to Hubcap should be related to addressing social and environmental challenges in new ways. Unsure if your content is a good fit for Hubcap? Review our content and editorial guidelines under About Hubcap, or get in touch with us at social.innovation@gov.bc.ca.